Question 20. The numbers from 1 to 9 inclusive are to be placed one number to a square in the figure shown, so that the total of the three numbers in each of the four lines is the same. What number should replace the star? So I'm going to look at this in a slightly different way. Each of these lines, we are told this one of 3, this one of 3, this one of 3, and this one of 3 have to add to the same amount. They sum to the same amount. So if I write something 1 here for this one, and then 1 star 4, then I write 4 space 2 and 2 space. So this replicates that line, then that line, then that line, then that line. We know that whatever's here has to be exactly the same as this, has to be exactly the same, and exactly the same in terms of their totals when you add them together. We know that if we've just got one of each, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, if we add them all together, we get 45. So if we add them all together, and one way to see that, if you can't see that, is straight away, we didn't know that, was that 1 and 9 make 10, 2 and 8 make 10, 3 and 7 make 10, 4 and 6 make 10, and then you're left with a 5. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. So we know this is going to be 45, but we also know that the 1 appears twice, the 4 appears twice, and the 2 appears twice. So if we take our 45 and we add an extra 1, an extra 4, an extra 2, we get 52. 52. 52 is when you add this, and this together. We know that each of these are going to be the same. So if we take 52 and divide it equally between 4, we get 13. So each of these rows of numbers is going to be 13. So if we just look at this one here, we know that 1 plus something plus 4 is going to be 13. Or we can say 13 subtract 5. 13 subtract 5 is going to be 8. So therefore the answer is D.